Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, YouTube family. So today's topic is how to configure web or HTTP server in the packet tracer. This is very easy topic. So let's begin how we can configure. So here I have taken a pictorial diagram. The pictorial diagram where you can see a DNS server or DNS server, and in this server different services also running, HTTP servers or web services. So this is the one server which has multiple services. So I have kept the name as DNS oblique HTTP server because the both services are running in this device. Okay, and here one I have taken router and one switch and one on a remote PC from where you will access web services. Okay, so how we can configure, let's go through. I have taken the same topology, one PC and one switch and router and server. So server is also the same services are running that was in the pictorial form diagram, DNS and HTTP services. So I have taken IP's address for each device, and where we have to configure one of each of them. So this is the IP address of this server, so 192.168.1.10. So and let's configure it. Click on the server, go to desktop, IP configuration, and put the IP address of the server 192.168.1.10, and subnet mask, it will automatically appear, and default gateway you can put the default gateway of the uh, port IP address. So on gig 0/1 port IP address is 1 by 1, so you can put this IP as a default gateway IP. Okay, and DNS server is the same server, so 192.168.1.10. Okay, that's it. And go to the router and type no. It will ask to enable and terminal config terminal interface on gig 0/1 IP 192.168.1.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and no shut to bring the interface up. So you can see the green light has been up now, and the same configuration needs to be done in the next interface, that is gig 0/0 interface gig 0/0. IP address for this interface is 192.168.2.1 and subnet mask is the same 255.255.255, and also again the no set for to bring the interface up. So now interface has been up, and one for in the switch no IP needs to be configured because switch can work without IP address. And this is the remote IP, remote PC, so where you need to do the configuration of IP. So this IP is 2.10 and subnet mask, it will automatically appear, and default gateway you can put 2.1, and DNS server is the same server that we configured earlier. This is the DNS server. Okay, that's it. So configure address is 192.168.1.10. so you can see the result. It is pinging. Okay, so that's a good part. we don't need to configure routing in the device. Okay, so uh, for HTTP services, we have to enable HTTP services in the server. So go to the services part and go to the HTTP, and it should be on. So keep both on and put, and let's check if it is able to uh, fetch the detail of HTTP services or not. So uh, you can see the web page is visible now. So web page is visible, but you are putting IP address. So suppose I don't want to put IP address, I want to put a specific name for that. So a specific name, suppose I want to do as a google.com or facebook.com, any other website name. You too can give the website name as per your choice. So how we can configure the website name? So go to the services, and now go to the DNS services and put the DNS services name like google.com. Okay, you can put any of your choice, and address of the DNS web server 192.168.1.10. Okay, and add. So the record has been added now, and it should also be on. Okay, uh, let's check if it's put google.com. Yeah, so you too can check google.com, but here the page is still coming Cisco packet tracer. So let's configure web page. So web page programming, simple programming required here. So go to HTTP services and pick any of these like index or anything. Go to the edit part and put here Google home page. Okay, and welcome to Google, and put the Google motto. Today I am feeling lucky now. Okay, and you can delete these things, it's not required, and file name as a google.com, Google page. Okay, and save. So go to the file manager and you can check it, Google page.html, but you have to keep the link on HTML index. So giving the link on HTML index is very easy. Just copy and paste and give the file name that we have chosen there, Google page. Okay, and here you can keep the page name Google page, Google home page, and save. It will pop there is already a file with the same name. Overwrite, yes, overwrite, and that's it. So now go to the web browser and put google.com, google.com. Okay, so again Cisco packet tracer is coming. I think I have not done a right configuration. Index, oh, here. Okay, that's it. So Cisco packet tracer is coming, but you can see we have given one link there, Google homepage. So if you click on this, you will get the Google homepage. Okay, so I hope you have learnt about how to configure web services in the server using Cisco Packet Tracer. That was quite easy, and thank you for watching this video. And if you have any query question, you can put your question in the comment section below. And thank you again for watching this.